the mist upon the earth. It came to pass, the beauty settled there forevermore. And as the steam clings close to things to come, it came to pass that solid rock did part for humble life. Once upon a time there was confusion, disappointment, fear and disillusion. Now there's hope reborn with every morning. See the future clearly at its dawning. Forever drifting slowly towards a hazy emptiness, whilst water slips into the sea, the father's sad to see it's free. As shadows creep towards the master night,